Hello and welcome to Logos College Online Learning. This is Pronunciation 2, and today we are going to learn your last phonemes for this semester. And these phonemes, they are diphthongs. And if you go to page 48, it's Unit 20 in your book. And these are two vowel sounds. They're diphthong vowel sounds. And if you look at this picture, all right, there's some minions, but these are toys, all right? Toys, and that's the sound oi. And this is a cow, and that's the sound ow, ow. All right, and this is your IPA chart, and I circled or I outlined your diphthongs over here, and we've learned a lot of these already. All right, this is ia. All right, this is a sound A. This is a sound Aya. How are you? This is a sound I. And this is a sound O. All right. And these are the two diphthongs that we'll study today. Okay, let's go to your first sound, all right? And again, this is a diphthong, and the definition is a sound formed by the combination of two vowels in one syllable. So we bring two vowel sounds together to make one sound. This sound, oi, the first sound is a aw sound, and the second sound is the I. Right, if you remember, I is the unstressed vowel sound. So the oi sound is found in words such as oil, toy, coin, joy. So the first sound of this diphthong is the aw sound. Do you remember learning the aw as in the word jaw? Right. But when we add the I sound to the end of it, we get the oi, oi, joy, joy. So you should be able to hear a little bit of difference there between the aw and the oi. All right, let's see how we make this sound. So the first sound in a diphthong is typically longer and louder, and that's true. That is true for all diphthong sounds. Right? So the first sound is the aw sound, and look at your tongue. All right, and of course all vowel sounds are voiced. So your tongue goes up in the middle and doesn't touch anything. So you make the aw sound first. In your mouth, you open your mouth as wide as possible, right? We make the aw sound. Your tongue could be touching the back of your bottom teeth, but the most important thing is to open your mouth. Aw. You flatten your tongue here, and the back of your tongue goes back, or your tongue goes back like that. And as I said earlier, the tip of your tongue, it could be, possibly, it might not be, but it has to be very, very close to touching the back of your bottom teeth. Right? So that's the aw sound. So now, we have to connect that sound to the I sound. And if you remember us making the I sound as in the word ship and tip, bit, your lips go wide, all right? They spread out. They go this way and then this way. And your tongue kind of just goes up. Right? And it's a very short sound, the I sound. So you combine the A with the I, and you go oi, 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 oi. So this is what I mean by the diphthong having two movements. There's two movements because there's two separate vowel sounds. And you should move them smoothly. You smoothly move up your jaw when you move from the A to the I sound. Oi, 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 oi. So this is part A in your book on page 48. And again, these are diphthongs. And this is a long vowel sound. It's two steps, all right, because there's two sounds. And the first step is your lips around and you make the aw sound, aw. And then they go wide, aw-i, 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 oi, oi. All right, here's some words. This is your target sound. I'm going to read this one first and then your target sound and the next one. Buy, boy, bay. Buy, boy, bay. Pint, point, paint. Pint, point, paint. Aw, oil, aisle. Aw, oil, aisle. Look at these words down here. All these words have the oi sound. Toy, noise, voice, boil, coin, choice, employ, enjoyed, enjoyed. So this is a picture. These are coins. Coins. I think this is from the UK. Yeah, this is Queen Elizabeth. That's the UK. Some of the words, I'm sure you know what this is. This is foil. Foil. And this is water. And when you heat water, you boil water. All right. Let's move from that sound. Let's go on to part B in your book. And this is the next sound, next diphthong we're going to learn today. And this sound is the ow sound. Ow. And this sound, if you remember this symbol, this phoneme right here, right? I want to go back real quick to this sound. Remember this sound? The I sound. And how did we make this sound? We combine this sound with the I. All right? So this is the ah, ah, and then this is the I. Ah, I, 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 I. Right? As in the word like. But this phoneme, we combine the sound ah with the sound oo. Ah, oo, ah, oo, ow, 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 ow. The sound ow is found in words such as how, now, out, town, town. Let's see how we make this sound. First, notice the difference when you make the ah sound, bra, and then this is the brow, bra, brow, bra, brow. Remember that in English, this sound, the w sound, is never the final sound of a word. It can be the final letter, yes, but it is never the final sound. The word brow, the final sound is the ow sound, not the w sound. So remember to focus on your sounds. All right, let's see how we make this sound. So the first sound, the ah, ah. We open our mouth as wide as possible. And the tongue could be touching the back of your bottom teeth. And this is a voiced sound like all vowel sounds are. And the air comes out of your throat, over your tongue, and out your mouth. So that's the first sound, the ah. And then remember we made the ooh sound, the ooh, ooh, ooh. And ooh, our lips, our tongue, the back of our tongue goes back, right? And then our lips, remember, make a round circle. Lips rounded a little. Remember this? The ooh, 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 ooh. So when you combine the ah and the ooh, there's two sounds. So there's two mouth movements. First, you make the ah, and then the ooh, ow, 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 ow. And then this is how you finish. Okay, let's look at some of these words. This is a long vowel sound, just like oi. And ow, if you look on your chart, there's two mouth movements because there are two sounds that combine to make one diphthong sound. First, you make your lips, or first you open your mouth, ah, and then your lips become round. Ooh, ow, 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 ow. Let's take a look at these words. This is your target sound. All right. Fond, found, phoned, fond, found, phoned. No, now, new. No, now, new. Car, cow, care. Car, cow, care. These words here, you're welcome to repeat after me. You're at home. How, houses, house. Now, sound, south. Town, ground, count. Town, ground, count. All right. Here's an animal I'm sure you've seen before, this bird. This bird usually comes out at night, and this is an owl. Owl, owl, owl. And of course, this is a cow. Cow. Well, this thing right here, this is called a plow. Plow. Cow drags the plow. All right, let's go to your spelling. Spelling, when we spell the oi sound, it's usually OY as in boy or OI as in coin. When we spell the ow sound, it's usually OW as in cow and OU as in loud. They want you to be careful here because OW and OU also spells different sounds. For example, the OW if you say this word, that is not towel, that is toe. Toe. Right? So even though OW spells the ow sound, it can also spell other sounds. So be careful. The only way you'll know is you just have to read, and then you remember that, oh, okay, T-O-W, you say toe, not towel. Okay. Let's get out of there. Let's go to page 49. Page 49, this is exercise 20.1 in your book. And they just want you to fill in these letters. There's a missing letter, and the word must have the sound oi or ow, and I did it for you. Here you add the letter W, and it makes the word town. Here you add the letter Y, and it makes the word boys. This is the Z sound, boys. Here you add the letter I, it makes the word noise. Right. Number 3, found. Number 4, point. Number 5, how. Number 6, boil. Number 7, hour. Right. The H is silent, hour. Number 8, flower. Number 9, enjoy. Exercise 20.2. This, they want you to finish the rhymes with the words right here in the box. Remember, rhymes are words that have similar or same ending sound. So I filled it in for you. Let me read this to you. Hopefully you could hear the sounds and how they rhyme. I had an old teacher called Lloyd, who everyone tried to avoid. If ever the boys made any noise, Lloyd was always annoyed. This rhyme over here, I knew a young boy named McCloud, whose voice was amazingly loud. From north to south, you could hear his mouth as loud as the sound of a crowd. You can practice that to help you with the oi and the ow sound. This exercise is not in your book. I think I've done this with you in class many times before. And you can only go to the next square if the word has the ow sound. And I answered it for you. So we start at house, and we have to end at round. So we go from house to sound. We can't go here because this word is soup. This has the oo sound, soup. Soup. So from here, we have to go to out. This is the word group. This has the oo sound, group, group. Next word, brown. This word down here is couple, the couple. This is grow. All right, even though it spells with O-W, remember the letters O-W, it can spell many vowel sounds. So this is grow, this is brown. Mouse, low, bought, about. So we have to go to about. Mouth, cow, south, cloud. This is wood, wood. This is count, count. So we come to count. This word is young, young. So notice the O-U spell in here spells the sound, not the ow. Down. This word is pronounced ought. This has the sound, ought. Down, pound. This is blow. So we have to come down here. Town, and then round. This word is throw, the O sound. So we have to come over here, the ow, round. Before, here I gave you audio. I included audio with your homework. You can listen to it. This guy's speaking about where he lives, and I found the words for you that have the oi sound, and then I found the words for you that have the ow sound. You can listen to the audio, and then you can see that these are the correct answers. 1, 2, 3, 4 down here. It's also audio B4. You're welcome to listen to it and see if you can get the right answer. And of course, the answers are for you in the back of your book. Okay. I also gave you audio for sound pair 18. All right, this is with the slideshow. And this is very helpful for the ow sound, right? The ow sound. And the O, right? The O, this is the O, and then this is the ow. O, ow. You can do that sound pair if you like more exercise on that sound. Okay. I want to move on, do one more unit with you before I finish up. This is very important. And this is Unit 21 in your book, Unit 21. This unit talks about the consonant groups at the beginning of words. So many words in English don't just begin with one consonant sound. Sometimes you combine the letter B, consonant B, with the consonant letter L, as in the word blue. Sorry. Sometimes you combine it with the letter R, as in the word brown. And there's other sounds. The C, the letter C makes the kl, k sound. The f, the letter G makes the g. The letter P makes the p. Right? You can combine these 1, 2, 3, 5 consonants with these 2 consonants, the letter L and the letter R, and you get the bl, br, kl, kr, dr, fl, fr, gl, gr, pl, pr, and tr sounds. No matter what, even though there's 2 consonant letters, this is just one sound, all right? Again, even if there are two consonant letters, this consonant group is one consonant sound. All right. Let's come down here. I'm going to say this word first, and then I'm going to say the word with another consonant sound paired with it. All right. So this word is lock, block, lock, block, low, blow, low, blow, rain, brain, rain, brain, red, bread, red, bread, ring, bring, ring, bring. Okay. I'm going to do this letter C. Remember, the letter C is usually has the sound k, k. Loud, cloud. Lose, clues. Lean, clean. Ride, cried. This is the D. Ride, dried. Rest, dressed. Raw, draw. This is the sound F. Light, flight. Law, floor. Lie, fly. Ride, fried. Read, freed. Okay. And this is the G with the L sound, and also with the R. This is the P with the L and the R. I want you to look at this one right here. Rice, price, rise, prize. And you can also do the same thing with the T sound. Ride, tried, rain, train. So remember, that is just one sound. Right? Another thing you can do, you can add the letter S. The letter S in front of the letters C, K, Q, L, M, N, P, T, or W. And you can also get consonant sound or consonant group sounds. This S is special because it can be the first consonant sound in a group of 3 consonant sounds, like down here, as in the word square. The sound S, K, and W, squa, square. Over here, spring has a sound S, P, and R, spr, spr, spring. Right? And STR makes the sound str, str, straight, straight. Down here, here's some more practice. I'm going to read a couple of these to you. Look at this first one. I think your book made a mistake right here. In your book, it says the second word in each pair has a consonant. This is the ear sound, so this is not a consonant sound. So I think what they meant to do was have the consonant sound added to beginning, like here, and here, and here, and here. I think they made a mistake here. Right? Let's look at these words. Key, ski, care, scare, cool, school, cream, scream, low, slow, lip, slip, mile, smile, mall, small, no, snow, nail, snail, pair, spare, pain, Spain, peak, speak, port, sport, pray, spray, take, steak. Notice I said steak and not steak. Steak. Start, stop, stuff, street, swear, sweat. This is very important here. A lot of, especially in Lao, consonant groups at beginning of words are one sound. All right. I want you to come over here, this red box. If you say a vowel sound after the s in these words, they will sound like these words. Right? So this word is sport, sport. But if you add the sound, you get support, 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 support. And the listener might get confused. So if you say sport, but if you add a in between it, you'll sound like you're saying this word, support, support. So it's just sport and then support. That ski, that ski. If you add it'll sound like this. That's a key. That's a key. That's a key. Same thing here. That smile. Don't add or you'll sound like this. That's smile. That's smile. What snake? What's snake? What's snake? What's snake? So the word is snake, not snake. And the word is smile, not smile. Right? So be careful. The consonant groups at beginning of words are just one sound. 21.1 exercise I did for you. They want to find the consonant pairs that start with the letters they give you. All right, and this is in your book. You can do this if you like. Exercise 21.3, I gave you the audio included with it. You can listen to it and then fill in the words with these letters. What is missing? What letter is missing? All right, I was once on a short flight from France to Spain. It was only a small plane, and I was by the window. All right, you can listen to the rest of that audio for extra exercise. I want to come down here. This is part of audio B9, and they want you to listen and then choose, what did they say? Number one, did they say, that slow bus, or that's a low bus? That slow bus, that's a low bus. You can listen to this at home for more practice. All right. What this exercise they want you to practice is to not put another sound in between the letter S and the next consonant. Right? The S sound. Here, an ice cream. An ice cream. Right? A nicer cream. A nicer cream. That spot. That's a pot. That's a pot. Okay, I'll let you finish the rest of that. Fortunately, we don't have time to go on to the consonant groups at end of words. Let me see. The important things today, remember, all right, consonant groups at beginning of words are just one sound. Right? And the two sounds that we learned today, are diphthong sounds. And diphthong sounds are sounds formed by the combination of two vowels to form one sound, one vowel sound. Okay, that's it for today. That's your last online learning session for this semester. Next week, I have your online learning review to get you ready for your final exam. And that's going to be June 14th, 15th, or 16th. I'm not sure yet. We're making a schedule for you today. Okay? I need a favor from every one of you. Please go to YouTube and subscribe to this, the Logos College YouTube channel. I started a playlist called Look, Learn, and Eat, and it helps you learn more vocabulary, but it's all through cooking. Right? There's some recipes for you that you can learn to cook and make, and they're mainly healthy recipes. Okay? And I need you to subscribe to the Logos channel because that helps me with my analytics and my algorithms. Okay, thanks for watching, and the homework will be released to you later. Okay, if you have any questions, just send me a message, WhatsApp, email, or Google Classroom. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.